When I start a project, it's a discovery process. Part of what I do is taking very traditional forms and reinventing them through technology. So obviously the Fibonacci pattern was an interesting source inspiration. I thought the design principles behind the phone had a very organic quality. So it seemed like a natural thing to reinvent it. Constellations is really about multiplication and the idea of patterns emerging from other patterns. Essentially, you could call this a portrait of the S6 phone.